Right then, so this is how we reset the service interval on a Vauxhall Mokka. Now the first thing we're going to do is turn the ignition on. Now there's a couple of little displays that, little messages that come up on the display. So I'm going to scroll through and it actually comes up with service now. And then if you scroll past it, the next one comes up is oil change. Now they're both the same reset, so the one reset will do the two. So we're going to use the left hand stalk and we're going to press the end button to scroll through. So there's a change of oil. Obviously my bonnet's open, but we're going to ignore that. So just on this stalk now we've got this little twist and we're going to scroll through until we get to the oil life, and you can see it's at 0%. So we're going to just press the end button, then scroll to yes, and then press and hold the end button again until it goes from 0 to 100%. Now once you've done that, believe it or not, that's the service interval reset. I've just scrolled through there, you can see it's done. So what I'm going to do now is just turn the ignition off and then turn it back on. And then if I just press the end button to get rid of the messages, you'll see there straight away no service now and no oil light. And that's it done. Thanks for watching.